Did you know the use of lubricant can actually cause an insertion loss failure? In this example here, we see that everything passes except for insertion loss. Now, normally when insertion loss fails, it's because you're over distance. We're 68.4 meters here. Our limit is 90 meters, or 225 feet in length. Our limit is 295 feet. So we're well within the limit of the standard in terms of length. And because everything else passes except for insertion loss, now this is going to be due to lubricant. Now, lubricant is highly conductive, and that causes the electrons, for want of a better description, to disappear from the cable. And because they're disappearing from the cable and not coming back into the instrument, your return loss looks just fine. And that's one of the big mysteries, is typically, again, if you see insertion loss fail and it's under length, you're probably going to see return loss fail. That's not the case here. Now, as time goes on, that lubricant, again, for want of a better description, is going to cure. It's going to become less conductive. So typically you're going to see this issue, and this example here is a Cat6 link, on links of over about 50 meters, 165 feet. You get to that certain distance where it has an impact. If you leave the cable in place as time goes on, this insertion loss will improve and improve and then actually turn into a pass. If you are on a very tight time schedule, what you'll need to do is contact the lubricant manufacturers and see if they have an option for a lubricant that is not as conductive and doesn't cause such an insertion loss. And I'm not promoting any one company, but Polywater does do one. It's called FTTX. It comes in a spray or a wipe. And so if you're on that time-sensitive job, then that's something to consider.